He is playing with puzzle.
He is playing with puzzle.
She is opening the door.
She is opening the door.
He is washing his hands.
He is washing his hands.
She is eating fresh fruits.
She is eating fresh fruits.
He is jumping very high.
He is jumping very high.
She is reading a story.
She is reading a story.
He is cleaning his room.
He is cleaning his room.
She is closing the window.
She is closing the window.
He is fixing the chair.
He is fixing the chair.
She is tying her hair.
She is tying her hair.
He is counting the numbers.
He is counting the numbers.
She is watering the plants.
She is watering the plants.
He is carrying heavy bags.
He is carrying heavy bags.
She is folding clean clothes.
She is folding clean clothes.
He is kicking the ball.
He is kicking the ball.
She is baking a cake.
She is baking a cake.
He is picking up toys.
He is picking up toys.
She is painting a picture.
She is painting a picture.
She is cutting some paper.
She is cutting some paper.
He is walking to school.
He is walking to school.
She is smiling at everyone.
She is smiling at everyone.
He is opening his book.
He is opening his book.
She is drawing a flower.
She is drawing a flower.
He is playing with blocks.
He is playing with blocks.
She is watching the sky.
She is watching the sky.
She is jumping on bed.
She is jumping on bed.
He is riding his bike.
He is riding his bike.
She is cleaning the table.
She is cleaning the table.
He is calling his friend.
He is calling his friend.
She is packing her bag.
She is packing her bag.
He is listening to music.
He is listening to music.
She is holding a doll.
She is holding a doll.
He is chasing a butterfly.
He is chasing a butterfly.